The general-purpose Poly Gardener Scoop Shovel by Forest Hill is a versatile and essential tool for any gardener or homeowner. Designed for a range of tasks, this lightweight shovel is perfect for handling mulch, working in barns, composting, shoveling snow, and various backyard uses. Crafted in the USA by Lancaster County craftsmen, this shovel stands out for its exceptional quality and durability. The scoop is made from a specialty blend black poly material that not only offers superior rigidity, but also ensures break resistance, making it a reliable choice for heavy-duty tasks. The reinforced back ribbing adds to its durability, providing extra strength and stability during use. One of the standout features of this shovel is its handle. The 30-inch handle, combined with a 14 3/8-inch wide scoop, results in an overall length of 48 inches, providing ample leverage and reach for a variety of tasks. The handle is made from solid ash harvested from reforested woods, emphasizing sustainability and eco-friendliness. Each shaft is uniquely burnished with the Forest Hill name, showcasing the craftsmanship and attention to detail that goes into every shovel. Weighing approximately 4 pounds, this shovel is easy to maneuver, reducing user fatigue during prolonged use. The full Wells grip type ensures a comfortable and secure hold, making it easier to control and direct the shovel even when dealing with heavy or dense materials. Whether you're spreading mulch in your garden, cleaning out the barn, managing your compost pile, or clearing snow from your driveway, the general-purpose Poly Gardener Scoop Shovel is designed to handle it all with ease. Its robust construction and thoughtful design make it a reliable and long-lasting addition to your gardening and yard care tools. In summary, the Forest Hill general-purpose Poly Gardener Scoop Shovel combines durability, functionality, and comfort. Its high-quality materials and construction make it a standout choice for anyone in need of a versatile and dependable shovel for various outdoor tasks. Made in the USA with a focus on sustainability and craftsmanship, this shovel is a testament to Forest Hill's commitment to quality and performance.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.